Okay, so in 2023, I released a thing called As Dawn Breaks into the Nebula, which was a collection of all of the most important creations that I had done over the years. And I started working on it in 2020, but didn't manage to release it until 2022. Sorry, I said 2023 earlier. That was wrong. Um, didn't manage to do it until then, even though by the end of 2021, I had most of the work done. Or actually, by the end of 2020, I probably could have released it. But I didn't because everything was almost completed, but it wasn't completed. So it was in this paralyzing state where I was unable to continue. I'm realizing that I think I have the exact same problem with other things that do not relate to Ad Bitten as Dawn breaks into the nebula, where if things are, kind of mostly done into a way that kind of mostly works, I'm done. I can't work on it no mores. In the last 2 days, I've done essentially no work on this project, and instead kinda did some work for other classes, but mostly just watched YouTube videos and doodled the snail mail characters in like comics and shit that will not benefit me even a little bit at the moment. So it was fun, but ultimately completely unhelpful for my current state of being. So I have all of those rigs in kind of states of working, as I said the other day. Everything is pretty functional. More work needs to be done on it, individual textures, stuff like that. I guess what I need to do to make sure that I'm not just plateauing on the characters is not do necessarily what I'm doing right now, which is just moving on to the environment stuff. Although, I mean, progress is progress. We take what we can get. I may need to do a more detailed list of what remains in order for me to be able to actually focus. I know! Stop interrupting me sending the evidence to tell me to send the evidence. You stinky! Anyway, I don't remember what I was saying. I had to be funny really quick. What was it? Shit. It was basically that I need to, I guess, do a list of what specifically needs to get done with those pieces, with the pieces of the Dancer rig, the Zerial rig, the Snail rig, the Parcella rig. Excuse me. Figure out also the snail recordings, all that kind of stuff, and piece all of that together in some sort of way that can kind of make sense and give me some direction and feel like I'm moving somewhere. It turns out that near the end, I plateau, and that is where my scope balloons, because I'm just like, I can't do the annoying, tedious things that I need to do in order for this to actually get done. I need to do something more interesting, which results in a project that just rapidly expands. So, I need to not do that. Next week, I know, is the Brain Trust meeting. I will try to have my pre-production done by then, but I know for a fact it won't happen. I'm just going to try, and hopefully not, end up destroying my human form with how fast I'm trying to do things. Because I have been cramming this stuff in the past week since I have so much catch-up I need to do for this pre-pro. Okay. We'll see how it goes.